This is the MME shop. So the shop is located in the first floor of the MME building. And so we're going to take a look at some of the machines that you might use in here. This is our lathe. You can use it in multiple classes. We've used it for things like building pistons to create a motor in Theory 11. You might also use this lathe in different clubs, like the Baja team uses this, and if you have different projects to work on, you can rent out the shop time and reserve a time with the lathe and use it for whatever you need it for. This is one of our mills. You can use it on a number of different materials. We all learn how to use this in our second year classes, which is really fun. It's something new to do and to be able to use your hands. People also use this for their senior design projects and any other clubs or extracurricular activities.
Right now we're in the high bay and we're going to take a look at some of the machines you might be using. These are 3-axis CNC mills. CNC stands for computer numeric control, so they are automated machines that you might use in an upper level course in junior or senior year. Generally we do aluminum machining in here and sometimes steel, and you can use a variety of fixtures to create complex parts. These are EDM machines. EDM stands for electron discharge machining. Essentially, they use high current to burn through material. This is a wire EDM and it can be used to create blind holes, which is something you can't really do on other types of machinery. This is an automated assembly line that you might use in a higher level class on automation. It teaches elements of programming and how to control robots to act out physical processes in an assembly environment.